there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampinup.net. Thank you for joining me today. Today's project features the Scalloped Kraft Treat Boxes and a couple of the papers that are featured in the Stampin' Up Celebration brochure. Now, the Celebration brochure is this one right here, and it runs through to the end of September 2021, and you can earn free items with a qualifying purchase. So any order over $90 Australian will qualify you for a free item from this brochure. And I'm going to be showing you this one here, the Bedazzling 6x6 paper, which is featured on page 3, and also some of the Peaceful Prints paper, which is over here on page 8. That's the Bedazzling paper. So great. It's just, you can colour on it if you want to. And this is some of the paper in the Peaceful Prints. It's all different shades of Sahara sand and real red and garden green. It's really lovely paper. I love the check. So I'll show you how I put this together. I'm also showing you that cute little tag that is made using this little tag here, and it's from the pretty, what's it from? Pretty Pillow Box Dies. There we go. It's just a really good shaped tag, and I've used the craft. We have a craft paper also in our Stampin' Up mini catalogue, which is running through to the end of the year, and I heat embossed it using white embossing powder, and I used the stamp here from Party Puffin stamp set, You're the Best. So let's get going and make this little item. Let's put the box together first. So these come together really easy. This is the pack of them, the Scalloped Kraft Treat Boxes, and they really don't require any adhesive, which is one of the things I love. So you've got the base and the top. So just fold all that in. Fold your two top pieces in like that, and then that little flap there. Give it a good crease. That folds in like that, and that is the box, base of the box made. So opens up like that, and then you can see the scalloping on the lid. So the lid, once again, very simple. Just open it up and give those little score lines a fold. Same thing, you're just going to fold in each side, and then that one, and there it is. Easy peasy. It's a really good size box too. There it is. That's the opening. So to decorate, we're going to use some of that free paper. So I've gone ahead already and cut out 2 of the stars using the stitched stars dies. They are there, and I'm going to bring in my Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, and I've already set up the glimmer paper, the Bedazzling paper I should say, and I'm just going to run that through with the 3rd star. If you haven't checked out the stitched stars dies, they are very much worth having a look at. The stitching doesn't show up so much on the glimmer paper, but it does show up on these little ones here. Let me see if I can just get that close enough so you can see some of the stitching. Perhaps not, might be a bit too much on this colour, but believe me, they are definitely worth checking out. So the rest of it goes together pretty simple. I'm just going to put a couple of dimensionals on there for that one. And I've already gone ahead and put dimensionals on 2 of those. So I'll just put dimensionals on that. That's the other side of that paper. It's very pretty. And here's my little tag. So I use the craft paper as I mentioned, and then heat embossed with white embossing powder. And I've had an extra little star that I cut out from the set previously, so it makes a cute little embellishment. Yes. Now you might be wondering, that gingham, black and white gingham ribbon, isn't it gorgeous? Now that is in the mini catalogue. It's towards the back of the Stampin' Up mini catalogue. In fact, I'll show you where it is, because you may have missed it, and it would be a shame if you missed it. So it's towards the back here. Let me just find it for you, because it's just beautiful. Where is it? Here it is here. It's in, if you have a look on page 52, no, sorry, 51. There it is right there of the mini catalogue. There it is there. It's the black and white gingham ribbon. I love it. I love it. And I've been trying to find multiple ways to use it. So hence it appears on this gift box. Let's just take those. Right, just going to make sure I've got the front of that. Yep. So just positioning that first Bedazzling Glimmer Star, and then another one with that fabulous Peaceful Prints paper. And then let's bring in that gingham ribbon. I love the gingham against this craft. Look at the craft. I really do. Let's make a nice bow. It ties really easily. It's just so lovely to use. Just wanted it a little bit bigger. I can work with that. And pop my other little star in here. And then a couple of dimensionals on the back, and then a little glue dot just underneath that bow, just to help it to sit a little bit. There we go. Yeah. One more star. Just a quick and pretty easy way to decorate one of these treat boxes, and it uses some of this fabulous free paper. And there you have it. There we go. Cute little treat boxes made using Bedazzling and the Peaceful Prints paper, and the Scalloped Kraft Treat Boxes. I hope you enjoyed that video. I have put a link to the products I've used below in the description bar below. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me, stampingmary, MERRY @gmail.com. Thank you so much. Bye.